Today I'm going to show y'all how to make these really cute and really inexpensive chalkboard tags using this kit that is available in my Etsy shop. So the kit includes 5 wooden tags and a bundle of twine. Each tag measures 5.5 inches high by 3 inches wide, and I can cut them to a custom size if you need something custom made. So to get started, you'll need one of your wooden tags, chalk paint in any color that you like. I have personally found using this Waverly chalk paint, I can use any of the colors and use it for any type of a chalkboard application, and it's held up and worked fine. If you want to actually use chalkboard paint, you can, but I prefer to use the Waverly chalk paints, and that way you can pick any color you want if you're wanting to kind of match it to a theme or anything. This one just happens to be black, and then a paintbrush. I set down a piece of paper on my table to help protect it for when I start painting. And now we'll start painting the tag. Now we'll let that side dry. Okay, now that we have both sides of the piece of wood painted with our chalk paint, we're going to do what's called priming the chalkboard. So you're going to take your piece of chalk and just using the side of it, you're going to just rub up and down. And then you're going to just take a rag and you're going to wipe it. I don't really know the scientific reasoning for this. All I know is when you prime it, it puts like this little layer of chalk dust on there, which makes it a lot easier for trying to write and erase and everything else. And obviously it just looks better, looks authentic. So that's basically it. And then, let's see, the jar I'm gonna put this on is gonna be a stamp jar. Stamps. Now I'm going to get a piece of my twine and make a tie for it. So I'm going to take both ends of my twine and I'm going to run them through the hole. Then take my ends and run them through the loop. And there's my tag. So now I'll get my stamp jar and I'm gonna tie it on there.